Hello everyone. Good morning children. Today we are going to learn a different concept in our MS Paint children, that is erase your drawing. In last chapter we learned about the pencil tool. It helps us to draw in a freehand. It is a freehand drawing. So if we did any mistakes in note, we'll use our eraser for erase, right? Yes. In paint also, we can use our eraser for erasing. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to learn what is a eraser tool, how to erase our pictures. Okay. See here children, this is our eraser tool. It will be looks like a normal erasers only. Normal eraser. Okay. See here children, this is a eraser tool in a paint window. And next, what is a eraser tool? It is simple to use. It is a very simple for using. Okay. When you want to select the eraser tool, you just need to click on that particular tool. Okay. Just click on it to select. Then click on the part of the image that you want to erase. And you need to place or click on that particular part using your mouse pointer to erase. Okay. And we have sizes of eraser also, right? Yes. In MS Paint also, we have the sizes of eraser for erasing. See here children, the size of the eraser can be increased by pressing Control button and press together. Children, by default, in paint window only we have the sizes of eraser. And also you can use the keyboard buttons. And you can use the keyboard button. See here children, here you have control, right? Parallelly you need to press control plus plus. Okay. Control plus plus for increasing. And you need to press the control plus minus. Control plus minus for decreasing your eraser size. Okay. And next, erasing a picture using eraser tool. Click on the eraser button to make the pointer turn into a eraser. Okay. I'll show you in the MS Paint how to erase a picture. Okay. And point at the bits you want to erase. So, if you feel that the particular point needs to be erased, you need to place your mouse pointer and you need to press the left mouse button and move the mouse around it. Okay. I'll show you in the paint children. You just have a look. Children, this is our paint window and this is our eraser tool. You can choose any shape for drawing. After drawing, you just click on the eraser tool for selecting. We selected. Just click it. That's all. And we have the sizes here. So if you click this button, you will get a n number of sizes. You just click this size. Your size of the eraser will change. If you feel your size needs to be decreased, you can decrease. It is a manual. And you can use the shortcut keys also. If you press Ctrl plus, your size of the eraser will increase. See here. Okay, size of your eraser will increase. If you want to decrease the size of the eraser, control plus minus. Okay. So to erase your picture, place the cursor. Okay, that is the eraser tool in the part of the image. Hold your left mouse button and drag your mouse pointer. Hold a left mouse button and drag your mouse pointer. Okay. This is the steps to erase your drawing, children. Okay. You can decrease your size of the eraser. You can increase the size of your eraser. Okay, children. Now I am showing you the short clip how to erase your drawing. See here, we have the rose image here. You need to select your eraser tool. After selecting, place your cursor and start erasing. Hold the left mouse button and drag your mouse pointer. Okay, these are the steps you can follow in a paint for erasing your picture, children. Now I request everyone to open a TB for writing a TB exercises. Children, I request everyone to take a page number 45 to write a textbook activities. First question, fill in the blanks. First one, tool that is used to erase a drawing. We'll use a eraser tool. Second one, this is an eraser tool. This is a dash tool. This is an eraser tool. This option in toolbar, see here, this option in toolbar is used to increase or decrease dash of the eraser. It helps us to increase the size of the eraser. So you need to write a size that is size. Circle the tool which you learnt in this lesson. Which are the tools we learnt in this lesson, children? We learnt about the eraser tool, so circle it. Okay. We learnt about the eraser tool, so circle the eraser tool. I am repeating the spelling. E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. A size, that is size, and circle the eraser tool. Now I am going to end my session, children. In case any doubt, ask me in the interactive session. I'll solve all your doubts, children. Thank you. Bye. Take care.